Now let's understand the problem with the lat-long APIs. If suppose I have provided the correct latitude longitude within the query, it is going to return me the response, and the response is having the components Singapore as a city and the Singapore as a country. Within the status section, the status code is 200, that is okay, HTTP okay. But if in case these coordinates are incorrect, what happens? So I have provided the incorrect or invalid coordinates. So what happened here is the status code is 400 and the result is a empty array. Every API will have a different response as per as the response data and response during the error. So as a developer, it's your job to go through the documentation, provide the different inputs to the API, and see the expected JSON response and study that JSON response and write down the code error free as per the given response. So how to handle the existing code to make working with the invalid inputs for the latitude longitude in this case. So this is our existing code where we have already managed the error, but this is not going to work because instead of giving an error object, my code is returning me a response. This is the JSON response that is I'm getting back. The only thing here is the status code is 400. So I'll check that one. So how to do it? Let's put one else condition here, and within that else put one if condition. What I'll do is I'll check this complete response. This response can be checked with response.body. So in order to work with that, I'll write response.body. Within this response.body, there is a status property which contains code. So what I'll write, the response.body dot status dot code, if it equals to 400, then prints the error message. In order to print the error message, I'll copy this stuff. I'll write console.log, and within this section, instead of status code, I want to print the status message. So I will be printing the error message that is there. So purposely I have given the API URL which is incorrect from the perspective of lat-long. Let's run the application and see the result. The result is invalid coordinates. So in this particular API, I am getting response for error something like this. It is possible, say for example, if you are using some other APIs for payment gateway or any other requirement, and that API has a different response, so you need to understand the response and accordingly handle the if else condition here so that all the possible error can be handled within your application. So stay tuned for more upcoming sessions. Thanks.